my channel. I'm Skylar, and this is my mom, Leah, and we are on our segment, Crafty Things.
Hi. Today we're going to make what we call either paper fans or paper rosettes to go with our flower theme. Skylar last time did her daisy theme paper flower. We're going to use, again, reclaimed materials in your own home. So you can do this anytime you need to. And so this paper can be lighter. So you can use just computer paper if you want. You can use cardstock. You can use, I'm going to use wrapping paper today to make a paper fan, paper rosette. And we will show you how to do it here.
Oh, you know, I just realized you could use leftover paper from like after if you're like a mom and after your kids like drew on the paper. That would be a cute little paper fan.
They could. The kids could draw on the paper first and then you can turn it into a fan. Especially if they did a repetitive pattern. Like I'm going to use the dot paper, wrapping paper. So if they did hearts or dots or
that'd be
clouds,
so cute.
that'd be really cute. You're going to start with your computer paper. The paper needs to be in a perfect square. So I'm going to show you a little pro tip is if you turn your paper this way, you can see what'll make it a perfect square. Now you can either just cut it right there, hold it up and cut it. If the kids are helping, you can put the line, draw the line, and then they can cut it themselves. So just a simple line. I'm going to give Skylar a line. She's needs lines for cutting.
Yeah, we established that last video.
In our last video. So
is that how you make a perfect square? I know a different way.
Oh, the corner to corner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this, right?
Right. I totally recommend that, especially with my bigger sheet of paper. I do it this way because we're actually going to fold the paper, and those that fold in the middle would have left like a different line.
Oh, that is true.
So and then today Skylar is going to use the glue gun, and I'm going to try to do it with the tape. So to see if you even need a glue gun. We're learning as we go along too. I'm good. I already cut my square, so I'm going to make a bigger one. The trick is to accordion fold the paper. So you're going to fold once up, like that. Score the crease, as they call it. Then you're going to flip it over and fold like that.
And try to keep it even.
Try to keep it even. Mine's a little larger, so I'm doing about 1/2 inch. Skylar's doing maybe 1/4 inch, depending on your size, the size of the fan you want. So we're building these paper rosettes and our flowers from yesterday, and we're gonna keep building till we have a whole display for Easter. So we're gonna keep building as we go along.
Yes, that would be so cool, like a whole wall of it, like in the picture last video.
Yeah,
I showed. And if you haven't seen that, go check that out after this. I'll link it down below.
And you need 2 squares for this. Now, Skylar's going to make a daisy, so she's going to want to use the scissors to cut hers rounded. Perfect.
Should I fold it first, or should
I would fold it together just to give it that crease, that score down at the bottom. And then you can separate it to cut it. You know, the closer it is, obviously, the better it will fit together.
Like this? Go like that?
Yeah, you want to cut it. If you're going to do a round cut, you're going to go like,
I'm going to do this too.
Go like this.
Oh, okay.
The next step.
Oh.
So look at, you have a half fan, okay? You're going to take these 2 pieces and you're going to attach them. Skylar's going to use the glue gun. I'm going to do the tape. So this project you could just do with tape.
I actually have, this craft I've actually done before. The flowers, I don't think I've done before. You can obviously tell, my favorite flowers are daisies. Well, okay, my favorite flowers are tulips, but my second favorite flower would be daisies.
Why do you like daisies, Sky?
I think that they're just simple and you like see them a lot. Yeah, I think they're just like very simple and clean. That's my style. They're just simple and clean.
They're happy.
And they're happy. Yeah.
Okay. So we've attached this one. We're going to take our other sheet and go ahead and attach those two sides too. If you need the clothespins to keep it closed, you can.
Yeah, and then I don't know why tulips are my favorite. Probably just because they're kind of like odd.
They're so pretty.
And they're just, I love pink, which you will probably hear me say every single video I ever make. I love pink, so I love a good pink tulip. They're my favorite.
Okay, then you have your two sides. Then you're going to attach the two together.
Also, make sure that it's the side, right? You want to make sure that it's the side, that they're the same side. Like, if the back of the glue is on this side.
Yeah.
Right? So just, like, look out for that. Sometimes it looks a little odd if it's not.
For this one, you know, children can do this with you. Children can do this with you, especially with the tape version.
I think it was my 11th or 10th birthday party with just like the flowers. We did a whole wall of paper fans, which that was crazy.
It was all neon.
Yeah. Oh, it must have been my glow in the dark party.
Yeah.
I had for my 5th grade graduation.
We did that where we took black paper and used neon paint and splatter painted it and then made it into a big fan. And you're just going to touch up some of the edges. If you don't like the way it's connecting, you can use tape or more glue. So we are going to give it a base, okay? So this is a little tip. You can use whatever you want for the base. We're just going to use this leftover cereal box.
Should I make one for me too?
Yeah. So you just need...
Do you glue the center too? Or do you just...
You can. But we're going to put something...
I'm going to glue my center too, just because I'm a
this
perfectionist.
will give you a little structure.
That's so big.
Here, I think it's a trick.
Right?
Yeah, that's fine.
It's probably easy to tape on the wall too.
Yeah, it holds
base.
it. Yeah, with the base. It holds it together. So we're just using that. I have that in a recycle bin.
Are you going to use tape for that too?
I think I'm going to use glue for this part. You can use tape, but we actually are going to put it on the wall, so I want to make sure it holds up.
Better size for this one.
There's a bigger one. Oh, yeah, that's probably too big.
Yeah, you should use the big one.
I'll make mine a daisy, too.
That would be cute. Where do you get these? With Michael's?
Michael's, Joann's.
You don't need them. You can cut a perfect circle by yourself. But
Yeah, you don't need it. We just have it.
we're fancy. We are crafters over here.
So now it has structure and base, and it's not flippy floppy. Technical term.
Oh, that looks really cute. Especially because it kind of goes with the outside of my...
Yeah, I told you it would be good the way you cut it.
That'll be so cute.
Super cute.
Aww. Look at it. It's like a mom and daughter.
Just like that. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So that is how you do a paper fan, paper rosette. Super easy. Do it with the kids. Use recycled paper. Have fun.
Thank you for coming back and watching my video. This was Crafty Things. Thank you, Mom, for being on my channel. Follow us here. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe and inside. Bye.